I'm going to do a brief review for garage sensors for parking. Let me show you what this is. This is basically my garage, two-car garage. And the reason I needed something like that, you guys probably have the same situation, is I got, this section here where I don't want the car to go too far back. I want to be able to walk through here and get to the door, have access. I want to get as far back as I can without, I want to leave enough space. So basically, I want to be as close as I can to the garage door. I don't want to leave any space up there because I don't want to steal it from the back over here. So that's my situation. So one of the things that I did is I bought these lasers up here. And I don't know if you can see, they're on right now. They're supposed to. It's better than the tennis balls because at least you don't have those things hanging there. It looks kind of tacky. So I could pull up, but the problem with that is that it's every car is different. So I had it pointing to my dashboard on one car, which is this one, but then I got the other car. So the problem is each car is different. So when I pull up, I got to be face forward so I could see it. And then second of all, it wasn't an accurate enough gauge. So I ditched that and I found this product called the Park Daddy. And what the Park Daddy is, let me show you, because I got stuff on the sides here, but it's tucked away back over here. I installed one over here. It's one sensor here. The other sensor is over here on this other side. And even though this is kind of in the way, it's really not. It's got a clear view, okay? And the idea, as I move this camera backwards, is that line is going to shoot right through that and over there. And it has a sensor, it's Bluetooth, it's brilliant. The guy that came up with this, and I don't know how, I never heard of it before, but I looked it up and, everyone should have one of these in their house. What I did was this is the receiver right here. I installed it in the back. You can put this in the front. Just basically, it's a cigarette lighter adapter. And you got volume, so you can turn the volume up and down. I have mine cranked all the way up because I got it back over here. I like using my cigarette lighter adapter in the front. So I just keep it back over here. Only bad thing is it's got a light. So it goes green when you're clear. It's red when something's blocking the sensor. So I don't get to see that. However, I get to hear it, which is the important thing. When I'm backing up, I hear the sensor. It's beep the whole time. And then when it stops, I know I'm good to go. So I park the car. So let me just show you just how accurate this thing is. So this is my garage. Let me show you right here. Look at how accurate this is. Look at that. Whoa. There's like a half an inch of space there. That's how accurate it is, okay? So as soon as that thing stopped beeping, I stop, I turn off the car, and I'm good to go. So it works awesome. I love it. I got the one with 2 packs. So the other pack, the other sensor, that cigarette lighter adapter thing is in my other car. And so my wife parks going forward, and she just listens in. We don't have to worry about these lasers anymore and looking at the lasers anymore, because we park, as soon as we pull in, you hear beep, and then you stop. As soon as you stop hearing the beeping, then you just park the car right there. You're good to go. You don't have to get out of the car and see how much clearance you got. You know you're going to be fine. So I guess the only thing about this that I don't like is that you got 4 D batteries on each side. But I'm going on a year now, and only had to replace one side. I don't know, the other side, I guess, lasts longer. I don't know. But that's the only thing. Make sure you buy the batteries. It doesn't come with the batteries. I don't know why they don't keep the batteries in there. The D batteries are pretty big, so maybe it's a shipping cost. I don't know. It comes with a giant manual. This thing looks like a newspaper. And it's all this small. It's easy. Don't even read the manual. Forget about, just throw it out. All you need to do, it's very easy. You measure about that much of a distance, because that's about the standard height of most bumpers, okay, which is about 18 inches off the ground. But you look at your own bumper, see about, you know, what size it's gonna be. About 18 inches off the ground, you put one on one side, and then you put the other one on the other side. That's it. Don't read that whole manual. You're just gonna frustrate yourself. You'll probably just return it just because you don't understand it. It's really easy. Put the batteries in. It comes with double-sided tape. That didn't work for me because I'll show you why. I got this kind of texture, which is really rough. So what I ended up doing is I just hot glued it. You know, I peeled off the double-sided tape and I stuck it on there. You can drill holes. I wasn't about to do all that. So I peeled the double-sided tape, I stuck it on the wall, and it just kind of fell off because it didn't have like a full footprint to stick to. So I just took hot glue to the wall, and then I stuck it right in there and good to go. So Park Daddy, it's brilliant. I don't know why that thing hasn't blown up. It should come with every single garage door opener. But that's my review for the Park Daddy.